Come test drive the 2018 X2. The BMW X2 is an absolute gem in the luxury compact SUV segment. The sporty look and long list of high-end features are sure to get your attention and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, CD player, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.